Hi, Will Patterson. Today I'm here at Fischer Homes in Bridle Run. We're at the model home of Jensen. This is Lisa Jackson. She's the representative with Fischer. She'll give us some more insight on the home here shortly. But right now you can see this is a brand new house. Got another one next to us that's kind of similar. Got a little park across the street there. And this one's ready to move in. And you'll also notice when we're walking through, there's some little stickers here on the wall throughout the house. Since this house is still under construction, they're going back through just making sure everything is up to date and ready for anybody that moves into the house in the future. Will you give us some more insight on this house?
Absolutely. Yes. So this is our Jensen floor plan. It can accommodate up to 6 bedrooms and 3.5 baths, and it is our 2-story floor plan. And it sits at a little over 2,700 square feet.
And the price on this one starts at around,
Yes, 389,990.
so anywhere from there up, that's where you can go, depending on what options you choose whenever you come in and design with this house. As you can see, it's got a nice big front porch. Nicely covered area there. Right off the driveway, there's just one step to get up to the porch, and one step to get up into the house. Then we've got an entryway here.
We have this area right here, what we call our flex space. So this flexible space, for the purpose of this model home, was turned into a study. So it does have the beautiful French doors off to the side, but it could be a sitting room, and then it just wouldn't have the French doors.
Wonderful. And this is on the slab, correct?
That is correct.
And down there we have a powder room
Yes.
and a coat closet.
Absolutely.
And then we come back into the main living area. We've got this nice expansive area over here. The windows off the back. Door going out to the patio area in the backyard. And a wonderful kitchen over here. The granite countertops. So these are 9-foot ceilings across there.
That is correct. Notice this beautiful large island.
And probably put 5 or 6 chairs across there.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Well, absolutely. Also have a pantry to the side as well too. To utilize this space. Also have some storage space down here as well.
And you have the pantry there in the back.
Plenty of space.
And then 2-car garage. This could be pretty much anything with the front room.
Absolutely. So this is just an additional area as well. You could turn this into a formal dining area if you wanted, or it could also just be a sitting room, another study. It's kind of whatever you would want to do with this space, however you would utilize it.
Somebody put in some solid doors here to make this a highway kids room.
Sure they can, yeah.
All right, let's go around here, we'll go upstairs and so we get up here and we have this massive room. What's this room called?
Yes, so this is actually our loft space. So this space right here could be utilized for practically anything. You could set up a pool table, you could set up a projector, have movie night with family, whatever you'd like to do with this space.
So this could be like the living area and downstairs could be more of the formal area.
Essentially, yes, that is correct.
Great. Let's move back here to the primary bedroom.
Awesome. All right, so as you see, we do have a spacious owner's suite. If you follow in here, you'll notice that we do have a nice owner's bath. It does have the double vanity and it does have a stand-in shower. And you also have your water closet off to the side, providing plenty of privacy. And then you also have some storage space as well for your linens.
And then I like the number of outlets in here too.
Absolutely.
Creates lots of usability
Absolutely.
in putting wherever you want to put your stuff.
Oh,
You don't have
yeah.
to worry about extension cords everywhere.
Absolutely. That's a great point, Will. It's a great point. You also see out here, you do have a really nice view as well. So beautiful landscaping, really nice backyard space or side yard space.
Let's head out and we'll go down and look at some of the other bedrooms on this floor.
Absolutely. Also notice too that we do have the laundry room on the same floor as the owner's suite, so super convenient.
I like this room with the little offset and everything.
Absolutely.
But it's got 3 big massive windows.
Yes, that's what I was actually going to point out. The really neat thing about this room is it does have the 3 large, massive windows.
And then you have the closet over there on the side. It's even got a window in it.
It does. It does. Bringing in plenty of light.
And then we have another bedroom here.
All right, another nice bedroom. Got plenty of closet space in there.
And then back this way, we have a bathroom as well as the other bedroom.
That is correct. All right, you take a look in there. We do have our secondary bathroom. The single vanity. All right, and then we also have another spacious bedroom with plenty of closet space in there. So pretty nice size rooms.
Right, and very deceiving from the outside on the size of the house
Absolutely,
with all the space that you get on the inside.
absolutely.
All right, so this is the Jensen floor plan Bridal Run. This is done by Fischer Homes. This is one of the homes that they offer here in this community. This is Felicia Jackson with Fischer Homes. If you like this home, feel free to reach out and get a hold of either one of us. Will Patterson with Aspire Real Estate Group. Please note any comments or any suggestions in the comments on this video, and we look forward to serving you in the future and future videos as well.
Absolutely. Bye.